Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to find simple interest. Let's look at this question. Jill is saving a little extra money to pay for her car insurance next year. If she invests $2,000 for 18 months at 4%, how much interest can she earn? The formula to find simple interest is principal times rate times time. As per your question, principal is 2,000, rate is 4%, and time is 18 months. For this formula to work, we need to make sure that the rate and the time use the same unit. What I mean is, if time is expressed in years, rate is expressed yearly as well. If time is expressed in terms of months, you will first need to convert that into years. So let's go ahead and do that. So for time, we will do 18 months divided by 12 months, which is equal to 1.5 years. Now we can go ahead and use our formula. So here, principal is 2,000 multiplied by rate, which is 4%. So 4% divided by 100% equals 0.04 multiplied by 1.5. So in your calculator, the answer will be 120.